Smart Business is a web-based smart retail business system. It allows integration between ABS's accounting software and the point-of-sale system, hugely increasing the efficiency among accounting and retails. Smart Business covers a variety of functions. Other than retail, it also includes the management of customer items, promotions, wholesales, purchases, data integration with ABS, report, and sell. In addition, we sell an account system including administrator, manager, and sales. So different accounts can access different functions for their needs. Like this account is salesperson, you can see. Also, our system provides 3 languages for users to choose: English, traditional Chinese, and simplified Chinese for Greater Bay Area users. In this video, we will mainly talk about the retail part. Under the retail order page, the first you can see is the customer information section. To choose a customer, double-clicking the customer box, and you can choose one of the customer you are serving for, like Random Company Ltd. And next you can see the customer ID here. For the point and price level, it's really similar to the membership scheme you see everywhere. Like you buy something, you gain some point, and after the point reach a designated level you set, the customer will become VIP, and with VIP, some products can have some discounts for the customers with VIP. Okay, so that's it. And telephone number and receipt number is automatically generated from the database. Currency is tied with the customer. So like if you set a customer with an RMB currency, the product will automatically convert the price into an RMB form from HKD. Okay, and the shop and device is actually where the salesperson at and which device as the salesperson are using. Okay, so let's jump into the chat about this. Okay, the first product you can input here, and to input a product, you can just use a barcode scanner to scan the barcode on the product body, and it will automatically pop up here. Okay, so if you want to manually choose, you can just double click the item code, and you can choose any product here for the customer to check out. With red label, it shows that the product is out of stock, so you cannot choose it. So let's choose some black product. Here. Item 001. Okay, so we choose 2 of them, and you can see the item code here, description, basic units. Some product does not set with basic units, so you can set it up. Okay, and you can set the number of orders. And the next 3 columns are batches, serial number, and expiry date. Because our product does not identify only by its product code, it also uniquely identified by its serial number and expiry date. So through these 3 settings, you can set it up with the batch number, serial number, and expiry date here. Like you can check which product can set with those settings by here, and the product and these 3 settings is set when you create a product. Okay, so choosing it, and you can choose the batch number, choose one of the batch numbers, and the serial number and expiry date. You can choose this item 24 batch 02, and expiry date is 15th of September. Okay, so click OK. So it's done. And dot means you can just edit it back and OK it. Okay, so serial number, expiry date. Okay, so the next column is the item variation. Item variation is also actually very simple also. Like it represents the type of the product. Like let's say you sell a cloth, you need to select the color or the size of the clothing, so you can choose any one of it here. Item variation. Okay, so double clicking it, so it will automatically change it in the background. Okay, so you can set up the price by yourself manually or use the price in the system. You can also set up the discount or use a discount on the system. And how to set up the discount on the system? And it uses our another function called promotion. It has two types of promotion called called item period promotion and item quantity promotion. For item period promotion, you can set up to a period of time to have a percentage discount like 5% here. Like today is during the period of promotion. And for the quantity promotion, like here, okay, so like you can buy two of these products and you can get a unit price cheaper into $3,300 instead of $4,300 instead of 4,788 here. So clicking it and you can change the unit here too, and you will automatically change the price. Okay, so pieces. Okay, so the location is actually where the product is located at, and this is the job. It's related to ABS settings, and it doesn't matter in the retail part. Okay, this is the total amount. Like I have two, so it's doubled. Okay, so it's finished, and you can jot down some notes for the customer here, and jot down some internal notes here. Okay, so let's handle the payment. Okay, here. So we can use cash or coupons or Visa, Master, Alipay, WeChat Pay, those payment methods. You can also select monthly pay or deposit functions. Okay, so let's choose cash and confirm it. Okay, then it will automatically generate a receipt for you to print it out. Okay, it's that very simple. And this deposit order is created. Okay, so after creating a product, you can upload it to ABS. You can choose data integration SP to ABS, and you can click this export button to export it. Okay. So we can also set refund order and deposit order in order to for some cases, the customer would like to refund their product, or the customer would the product has zero stock and you need to pre-order it, so the customer can create a deposit order and use deposit order function to pay the remaining amount of money for the product. Okay, so in the day end, you can the sales can settle the day's income at the end of the working day. Like here, I can check if the expected amount is same as the realistic amount, and I can confirm it, and it's done. Okay, it's very simple. So let's move on to the customer side, customer management, and we also have some special features for customer, like you can we have free note taking functions, like you can upload files to like the customer received here or the customer information to upload those photos, for example. And also attribute function, like yeah, we provide 30 global attributes. Like you can record those attributes in here for the customer uniquely for each customer. Here, like number of staff 21, I can change it to 25 and I can save it. So it's automatically changed. Okay. So it's very simply to use. This title can be easily added to anything you like. So it's changed it. So you can just type in things like that 1, 2, 3. Okay. So it's saved. So you can use attribute function to record anything you want to record on the customer. Yeah, and this drop-down list can record multiple word description. Okay, so it's very simple. And also customize attributes is used for those notes you want to take, but it's not in the global attribute columns like here. Okay. This global attributes is shared among all customers. So those settings like anything I change here, and the next customer is also this attribute. Okay. So also we have follow-up function here, like you can create a follow-up record here, like here, that is, you need to follow up. So you can check out the follow-up functions here. For the e-blast, you can send the email to the designated customer for promotion with the attribute function. Like I can set number of staff is greater or equal to 25, and I can promote our product to it by email. Okay. So also we have an Enquiry function here. With Enquiry, you can receive those enquiries from your company website and assign it to different salesperson to follow up. If they make a deal with customers, they can use the convert to customer function to insert the customer into the SB database. Okay. And this is the e-blast page. Okay. And you can see here you can manage your e-blast. Okay. So for item, you can manage your item stock and set up item variations. Okay. And purchase and wholesale, these two functions can operate the management of those two operations. Okay. So I would like to mainly focus on the purchase here. Okay. So sales new purchased orders will be approved by manager and administrator. Okay, so to notify the manager and administrator, the system actually integrates the WhatsApp API to send WhatsApp to manager or admin directly, so that the manager can accept the order when he or she is not office, because our system is web-based and it uses WhatsApp API. So when the manager receives the WhatsApp, you can just click in the link and approve the order, the purchase order. So let me check here. Okay, so let's apply for approval. Yes, it's just pop up the WhatsApp window here, and it will automatically send to the manager or administrator. So if I accept it here, this is the administrator account. You can see it here. Okay, I can accept here. So it will also pop up a Windows API. Oh, sorry, WhatsApp API. So this can remind the sales that this purchase order is approved. Okay. So that's it. That's all I would like to share to you. To conclude, Smart Business is a powerful app integrating different parts of sales, like retailers, wholesales, and purchases. And also it connects your ABS tightly to manage the accounting in a much more easier manner. Okay, thank you.